Bulging discs are no joke. The pain that it can cause in your lower back is debilitating. Our next guest knows that all too well, but finally got the relief he was looking for at NeoGenix. We welcome Ian Natupski to the show. Hello, sir. How are you doing? Your back pain, it got worse and worse and worse, all right? So how did it affect your day-to-day life?
Well, I'm sure as an athlete, you know what pain is all about. I used to play a lot of sports, and over the years had abused my body. And your health is cumulative and unrelenting. So, you know, over time, it just, my back started to give way and I got a bulging disc.
So most people are up for surgery. So what were your reservations about having surgery?
Well, I had studied and read up on stem cell therapy. The last thing I wanted to do was get any type of back surgery, because once you go under the knife for surgery, there's a lot that can happen at that point in time. I decided that I wanted to try a last-ditch effort.
Now you got stem cell therapy. How soon after your treatment did you start to feel better?
Sure, it took about 3 to 4 weeks before I felt a lot of relief in my lower back, where I really started to notice a difference, where it wasn't a chronic pain every single day. It would come and go. So it took about 3 to 4 weeks before it really started to kick in.
What are you able to do now that you weren't able to do before you had the stem cell therapy?
Live my life. Because somebody who is in chronic pain, that stress impacts every facet of your life.
You've also mentioned that the people at NeoGenix treated you like family. How so?
They treated me just so great inside their facility. They contacted me both before and after my treatments, and it was just really nice to be a part of that. I just didn't feel like a patient. I felt like part of their family.
Well, Dr. James Altizer, you see patients like Ian all the time. He had great success with his treatment. So tell me, what exactly is stem cell therapy?
Stem cell therapy is revolutionizing the treatment of musculoskeletal pain and arthritis specifically. What stem cells do is they get to the root cause of pain and heal the tissue damage caused by wear and tear. And no other treatment can do that.
You say that it's safe, effective, and proven science. So let's talk about safe. What makes stem cell therapy safe?
At NeoGenix, a patient is going to be seen, examined, diagnosed, and treated by a board-certified physician. The stem cells that we use, the adipose tissue or fat, the bone marrow, aspirate, the PRP, the A2M, it all comes from you, the patient. So there's no risk of bloodborne infection. We do have one off-the-shelf product, Horton's Jelly, which we chose because it is the most safe and effective off-the-shelf product on the market. Over 100,000 patients treated without one single adverse event. The other thing that makes this safe is that we diagnose the patients properly using imaging, MRIs, ultrasound, or x-rays to make the proper diagnosis. And then when we do the injections, we use imaging, either real-time x-ray fluoroscopy or ultrasound, to pinpoint the stem cells to exactly the right spot where they need to go.
How effective have these treatments been on your thousands of patients?
Well, I've been doing this, Eugene, for almost 5 years now. I've treated thousands of patients, and my own personal results are showing that over 90% of patients are getting significant improvement in pain and ability to function, and my results are actually better than the industry standards.
So what kind of clinical science evidence is there that stem cell therapy works?
There are thousands of articles coming out every year on stem cell therapy. Literally millions of patients worldwide have been treated with autologous stem cells, meaning stem cells from their own body. It's been proven already to be safe, it's effective, and the early studies are already showing that it can slow down the progression of arthritis. And it may, in some people, actually be able to delay or prevent joint replacement surgery. And it's the only treatment that can do that.
So what sets NeoGenix apart from others?
When you come to NeoGenix, you're going to be getting real stem cells, not some off-the-shelf product that may or may not have stem cells in it. So we know for a fact that we're using real stem cells. There is no risk of bloodborne infection. We have a proven track record of results, and the imaging that we use makes the treatment accurate, and effective.
So what would you tell someone who's considering stem cell therapy right now? They don't know what you know. What would you tell them?
Do your research, understand what the process is, understand that they're using your stem cells to help your body heal itself. So I would highly recommend it. Again, you're talking about your health, and if you don't have your health, what else do you have?
Well, call NeoGenix for a free consultation to see if you are a good candidate for stem cell therapy. The consultation could be virtual or in office. The number is 704-727-6551. You can also visit neogenixstemcells.com. Ian, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.